How's it going? 68 Charger here. So I recently got a new set of BF Goodrich tires on my car, and one of the questions that I had asked the most from y'all was why did I get rid of the Goodyear Eagle tires? The second question that I got asked is what are you going to do with these tires now that they're no longer on your car? So I decided that I'm going to post these tires on eBay, and I'm going to put the link to on the description below in case you're interested in bidding on them. But I decided to do this really quick video just so that I can go over each tire in detail, and that way you know exactly what it is you're getting if you decide to bid on these tires. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, guys. If you've been on a hunt for a set of Goodyear Eagle GT2 tires, you pretty much know that they've been discontinued for about 10 years now. And that pretty much is what makes these tires so desirable, is that people can't really get them anymore, especially in this good of shape and with these few miles. So pretty much to answer the first question as to why I got rid of these tires, really it's because of the age. I've had them since 2008 and really have only put about 3,000 miles on them. But I decided that it was time to get new tires whenever I went to go get them balanced about 6 months ago, and was turned down because they said that the tires were over 10 years old whenever they looked at the manufacturing date. And then they also told me that I would probably run into the risk of not being able to get my car to pass inspection because of the age of the tires. And so that's pretty much when I decided that it was gonna be time to go ahead and get some new tires. And I had been eyeing the BF Goodrich tires, so I decided to go that route. So the first tire I have is one of the front tires, 235/60 R15s. As you can see, the Goodyear raised white letters are in really good shape, and so are the Eagle GT2. This actually just looks a little bit black, but that's the tire shop, when they took them off, they rubbed them off against another tire. But this one's in really good shape. The tread on these is 9/32. They actually all are 9/32. Like I said, they have less than 3,000 miles on them. And for this tire, the manufacturing date is, let me find it, there it is, the 39th week of 2008. So this is the first tire right here, and pretty much end of the year of 2008 when this one was built. The second tire, also 235/60 R15, was also manufactured in the 39th week of 2008. This one also in really good shape. The only thing that is unfortunate about this one is I did manage to scrape it a little bit whenever you're looking at it right there. On the G is the only thing that I'm noticing on it. And then I believe on the Goodyear as well. So you can see where it has a little bit of a scuff at the pretty much just at the edge of the rim of each letter. But this one also in really good shape, also 9/32 in tread. So unlike the front tires, this one is actually a little bit of an older tire. This one was built on the 12th week of 2007. And this one does show a little bit more wear, but when looking at the tread, this one also measured at 9/32. And as far as the white letters, they look pretty good. Goodyear Eagle 2. And then in looking at the Goodyear, this is also a really, really good tire. It doesn't have any scratches on it or anything whatsoever. The only thing that I noticed is on the O, there's a little bit of black right there, but that's how it came from the factory. It's nothing that I did. It's always been like this since I've had the tire. So anyway, I'm gonna go over to the next tire now. This tire was manufacturing date was the 13th week of 2008. So out of my four tires, 3 of them were 2008. This one is also in pretty good shape. And as far as the Goodyear Eagles, I do have some minor scuffs right there on the E, the A, and the G for the Goodyear. And then it seems like a little bit on the GT and 2. when looking at Goodyear, these seem to be in pretty decent shape, except you can see on the top of it how there's just a little bit of a scruff as well, but definitely can't see it from this angle. So anyway, guys, these are my 4 tires. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you're interested, make sure you bid on them on eBay. Thanks for watching, guys.